Google's Incognito Mode could prove to be a costly misstep for the tech giant, as it stares down a potential $5 billion fine. The deceptively named feature in the Google Chrome browser, touted as a shield for private browsing, has come under scrutiny for its inadequate privacy protection. In June 2020, 3 private users took legal action against Google, filing a lawsuit in federal court in San Jose, California. The plaintiffs accused Google of violating user privacy by collecting data even when the browser is in incognito mode. The lawsuit sought a substantial $5 billion fine, highlighting the severity of the allegations. Google attempted to have the case dismissed, but those efforts were thwarted. Judge Lucy Koh rejected Google's argument, stating that the company had failed to inform users about the data collection occurring while using incognito mode. The situation took a turn for the worse for Google as Judge Yvonne Gonzalez-Rogers recently denied the company's request for summary judgment. The judge cited Chrome's privacy terms, privacy policy, and the messages displayed on the incognito mode home screen. These elements indicated limitations on data storage and user control over shared information. Judge Rogers raised the question of whether these statements constituted a binding commitment by Google to refrain from collecting user data during private browsing. In response to the allegations, Google maintained its stance on incognito mode's privacy safeguards. The company stated that the feature prevents users' browsing activity from being stored in the browser or device. However, Google also acknowledged that websites might still gather information during the browsing session. The heart of the lawsuit revolves around the claim that Google stores both normal and private browsing data in the same data log. This combined log reportedly serves as the basis for delivering personalized ads to users. While the collected individual data may be anonymous, the lawsuit asserts that Google can use the aggregate information to uniquely identify users with a high degree of accuracy. Google's defense attorneys argued that the plaintiffs did not suffer tangible economic damages. However, Judge Rogers disagreed, noting that the plaintiffs had demonstrated a market demand for their browsing data. As the legal battle intensifies, the impending trial appears to be a more viable option than merely imposing a monetary fine. The court recognizes the need for an injunction to address Google's ongoing collection of users' private browsing data. This case could greatly impact Google's data practices, user privacy approach, and stand as a crucial milestone in the tech industry's data protection efforts. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to support independent news.